One day you work very hard and make a one video. It's maybe your college project or your final project and your YouTube video, and accidentally you deleted this video. This is very painful, right? But you need to recover this video because this is your important document. So how to recover these deleted videos in your Android phone? So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Ursti. Today we will look about how to recover your deleted photos and videos in just a simple steps. Now here first we see the first offline method. Okay, what you need to do, just click the Google Photos, and in the middle you find the search option. Click the search and scroll down, you find one video option. Just click it and scroll down, you find it all your old and deleted videos. Okay, you see that I found my 2016 videos. Okay, so it's awesome. Now second method is Google Drive. Google Drive, this is my latest account, this is my new account, that's why I don't have any videos. But in your account you find out you have some related videos and photos. Just refresh it and you find all the videos. This was the two methods. One another method is many latest phone they providing their own cloud. Okay, this cloud saves your all photos, contact, videos, messaging, etc. So how to access this? What you need to do, just go to your mi phone settings, search cloud. In cloud you find Xiaomi cloud, and here the third number option is deleting items. Just click here. Whenever you click here, they showing your galleries, contact, location, etc. Okay, here you click the gallery, and then it's finding all your deleted videos, photos, etc. Here in my phone, similarly they give the option in gallery, that is trans bin, or you said recycle bin. Okay, in trans bin, you scroll down in your gallery, you find trans bin. Here just click and you record it all it. But now many phones they not providing this type of system. So what you need to do, don't worry, just go to the Google Play Store, search the this application, yes, file explorer. Okay, this also give the same option like this Xiaomi file. Also second option is dumpster, same application. It's recover your all deleted videos, photos. You just click it and recover it. Here see the accidentally you deleted your photos and videos. Just go to the this just give the all the access to this application and it's recover all your photos. Third one is data recovery, also it is called transbin. It's also recover your deleted videos without root. If all this method was fail, don't worry, I give you one master solution, that is best online tools. Okay, first in our list they have erase us data recovery application. What you need to do, just give all the permission of this app. This app fully scan your device and finding your deleted videos and photos. You easily click it and record all the deleted photos and videos, message, etc. Second one in our list is software, that is called Wondershare Dr. Phone. Okay, here you see that the first Android data recovery software in the world. Okay, it is supported all type of devices, all type of phones. You recover your all videos, photos, WhatsApp, message. And here you see it is give the step how to do this. Okay, if sometime your phone was corrupted or your phone was cracked, software also help you. Okay, and here you find that all type of devices it's work, and it is totally free and without root. You access or download or recover your deleted photos and videos. Okay, 16,000 plus phone Android. Here I give the list of all type of phones and models. You can easily connected your phone and record all type of deleted videos and photos. Also similar website I was founded for you, it is ESUS, same application. You record your photos, videos, etc. file. It is totally free to download, or sometime formatted or deleted files you also record it. So I hope this video very helpful for you. Make some important videos and they was accidentally deleted, so don't worry, here you got a solution. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel gossipfunda, and also share this video to your friends and family to help them.